Up to 12,000 with scholarship is sponsored to undergraduates, postgraduates and students of class 8 to 12 by NSDL. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. Today we are here to explore a fantastic opportunity, that is NSDL Shiksha Sahyog Scholarship Scheme provided by National Securities Depository Limited. If you are facing financial issues to get a quality education and aiming academic excellence, then this scholarship could be a guiding light. Let's embark on this scholarship together. NSDL Shiksha Sahyog Scholarship has been designed to assist students who encounter the financial barriers on their pursuit of education. This scholarship encourages you to overcome from these constraints and chase your dreams of academic excellence and career opportunities. The scholarship amount varies depending upon the educational level, but it can go up to maximum of 12,000 rupees. This financial support is available for the students who are pursuing their class 8 to 12 as well as for undergraduates and postgraduates. To be eligible for this scholarship, you should meet these eligibility criteria like the applicant must have secured minimum of 60% in previous examination. This scholarship is available for various courses like students of class 8 to 12, BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BMS, BSc, MSc, MA, MCom. This scholarship is open for all gender and your family income should be less than 3 lakhs rupees. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal called the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Here are the mandatory documents required while applying this scholarship. Passport size photograph, ID proof, address proof, admission letter, education certificate, income certificate, domicile certificate and having bank passbook is compulsory. You can also submit optional documents like PAN number, voter ID and passport if you have. Ensure that all these documents must be clear and either should be in a PNG or JPG format. Now let's discuss how to apply NSDL Shiksha Sahyog Scholarship. Hit the link given in the description box, and if you find the content is valuable, then please show some support by subscribing our YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. And now let's come back to the application process. Once you click on the link, then you'll be redirected to a login page where you need to enter your email ID and password and can continue with the application process. If you are not a registered user, then please create and update your profile. If you find any difficulty in creating and updating profile, please watch this video where I have explained each and every detail. Once you're done with your profile creation and updating your profile, then you need to click on search and apply. There you need to click on the scholarship information, that is NSDL scholarship application link. Then you'll be redirected to application where you need to update the details like is your parent is working for NSDL, select option yes or no. If yes, then you need to acknowledge for another question, that is what type of employee your parent or a guardian is. If no, then leave it. Then you need to upload the bona fide certificate and a domicile certificate. Then you need to click on the checkbox which defines that all the given above information are true, and then click on the submit button. Preference will be given to the students who are residing near the branch location of NSDL like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Chennai, New Delhi, Kolkata and Bengaluru. The NSDL Shiksha Sahyog Scholarship Program, more than just a financial aid, it's a commitment to your educational journey. If you meet the eligibility criteria and dedicated to continue with your education, then don't hesitate to apply. This scholarship could be a stepping stone for your educational journey. Best of luck for your scholarship journey. Let's help each and every student possible by sharing this video. Signing off, take care, and don't forget to subscribe to your channel, The Global Scholarship.